guys, today we're going to be learning about the period on the periodic table and what are non-metals and metalloids. And we're going to be talking about metals too, but we're going to get a little bit of a review. A period, a row on the periodic table that is going across. Is and what I mean is by that, it's going horizontal. Okay, that was just a little bit of a review. There's nothing that we're going to be needing. Okay, metals. I'm not going to be doing a definition. I'm going to give an example of a metal. Gold. Gold is a very microscopic thing. You can't see with the naked eye. Metals are gold. Non-metals, we know few. Carbon and oxygen. We cannot survive without oxygen. All living things need oxygen. Okay. More review. Protons. Number of protons is the atomic number. What the atomic number is, if we go over here and we find helium, it has 2 protons and 2 electrons. Right here is the key. We can see that it has the atomic number, the element symbol, the element name, and the average atomic mass, but it might. Okay. Going on to something new and awesome. This is one question that feels like everybody should know. Why do all metals react differently? Why do all metals react differently? Metals react differently. Metals react differently because of where they are. From sodium to francium, those react with water, while helium through radon, I think that's how they pronounce it, doesn't do anything. Doesn't react to anything at all. Okay? I don't have any of the metals. Okay, so this is one question we're going to be focused on today. Why do all metals, let's scratch elements and elements. On the periodic table react differently. Like some on the periodic table react way differently than any other element. So that's what we're gonna be learning today. Let's erase this and let me show you what I mean, how they react. They react differently because of where they are formed. Hydrogen and helium are gases, while lithium, both sodium and francium react totally a different way. Francium, I don't know how to pronounce it, is number 87 on the periodic table. Okay, and so when you see this this line right here, I try to do the best I possibly can. And then like it's this line, when you flip it upside down, it looks like an X, but it's really not. It just separates to make the periodic table more easier. That's what we're also going to be learning today, and we're going to learn about non-metals and metalloids. Okay? That's what we're going to be learning today. I'll see you guys in a little bit. So right here I have my science textbook. I want to show you, this is like a better realistic textbook, a realistic periodic table. So as we go closer, we can see what the key would look like. Solid, gas. A solid, liquid, and a gas. So all the all the all the brown is a solid. That means it's like really like solid. All the blues are liquid. Like you see, we have mercury here, which is a liquid. And all the stuff in red right here is a gas. Okay, so this is what the realist periodic table we can get, we can find, and it's a color one too. Right here, what I was talking about is that to make this table easier to read, elements 58 through 71, the Lithandes, and elements 90 through 103 are printed below the rest of the table. Follow the blue line to see how they fit in the table. So if you follow the blue line, we can see how it fits easy. Let's learn about the period. Like we mentioned before, the row of the periodic table called a period. It's called a period. Notice that the table becomes wider at periods 2, 4, and 6. So here we have 2. Look how wide it's getting. We have period 4. It's getting wider, and then we have period 6. Okay, now a family. Each column of the periodic table is called a group or family. The elements in a group have similar properties, although the similarities are stronger in some groups than in others. The elements in group 18 are all unreactive gases. Okay, so what they mean by reactive gases? What they mean by reactive gases is that they don't really react with anything. Okay, they have no reaction with each other. Let's read what it says here. Elements 93 and higher have been created artificially until chemists agree on permanent names. A few have Latin names that relate to their atomic numbers. Okay, and then a symbol is 1 or 2 letter symbols identify most elements. Some periodic tables also list the names of the elements. Okay, and the atomic mass. The atomic mass is the average mass of any elements atomic mass increases with the atomic number. And then over here it says exploring the periodic table. The periodic table has grown to include over 100 elements. Once you understand how the periodic table is organized, you can predict an element's property from its position in the table. Okay, so we have all the green right here is metal, all the orange is non-metals, and all the green, all the purple is a non-metal, like a metal oil. Like it has some properties of metal and some properties of not metal. Okay. Okay. So, alright guys, this is my more about the periodic table. If you want to find some more stuff about science and other elements, about the periodic table, or we have this one right here. Subscribe to my channel and I'll probably make more videos, probably today or tomorrow. Goodbye.